The government of the Gambia, through the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Natural Resources, has received a donation of 20 tricycles from the Economic Community of West African states. The donation aims to improve waste collection, sanitation, and environmental health across the country, outlined in the Memorandum of Understanding between ECOWAS and the Republic of the Gambia. This initiative demonstrates a strong commitment to addressing waste management challenges and promoting cleaner, healthier environments. The Ministry of Environment, through the National Environment Agency, has distributed the tricycles to various organizations and individuals involved in waste collection projects nationwide. At the handover ceremony, the Minister of Environment, Natural Resources and Climate Change, Rohijon Manjang, encouraged the recipients to utilize the tricycles effectively and maximize waste collection efforts.
We keep complaining that waste is a problem for this country. In as much as even in our NDC, we know that even the long-term study also indicated that waste management has the lowest base in terms of meeting our targets on the net zero emission. We think we are generating more waste, but Gambia as a country, we have not reached that level yet. But because waste has not been collected, it's not been disposed properly, we're not doing a proper recycle mechanism, that's why we are seeing this high magnitude of waste all over us. But once we're able to collect as little as we can, you will soon start seeing waste disappearing in this country. Key indicator is we are not able even to entice investors into waste to energy because of the volume of waste that we generate. They're not in the right volumes to make sure that to induce the investment that it requires.
The ECOWAS resident representative to the Gambia stressed ECOWAS' dedication to fostering a clean and healthy environment within the region.
ECOWAS is very much committed to seeing an environment that we can be proud of. The commissioner who is in charge of the environment, she's also in charge of agriculture. And for her, this is important that we try to get on the agenda environmental issues and trying to keep our environment clean, because we know what that means. It's not just in terms of agricultural production, but it also means a lot in terms of health and in terms of our general well-being. So today, I'm very happy to be here.
Dauda Baji, the Executive Director of the National Environment Agency, highlighted the responsibility of the tricycles recipients to maintain and sustain the tricycles.
In terms of sustainability, you are responsible of taking care of this motorcycle. Don't come here and think that for the minister and think that we're going to buy fuel for you, or we have a depleted tire, or whatever we're supposed to give you. You have to make sure that you sustain your motorcycle. And then also, you have to understand that it is part of the agreement, but you have to put at the media that we're going to be monitoring your performance. If you see you do not do what is expected of you, be rest assured that this motorcycle will be withdrawn from you and give it to people who are doing better.
Aissatou Cissé, Director of the Women Initiative Gambia and a recipient of the tricycles, expressed her gratitude to both the ministry and ECOWAS.
The only thing that they can do for us is provide the material that we need to continue our journey, because we have already started the journey, and these are the challenges that we are facing for a long time. Having them is a great opportunity for us. But not only receiving them and feel happy today, because we have to remember that this is a lot of money that they put into getting all these tricycles. And the reason why they're giving it to us, they understand that we have started the journey, and they understand that giving us these tricycles will help us to achieve our goal.
Effective waste management in the Gambia is vital for public health, environmental protection, and economic growth. It helps prevent the spread of disease by reducing exposure to hazardous waste, protects natural resources from contamination, and supports job creation in recycling and waste processing. Reporting for Kirfatu, I am Fatu Silda.